In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to create PDF exports of what you see on the screen. And you can do this at any zoom level for any area on the map. You can also do it at the different hierarchy levels. If you are using the AlignMix Pro trial, you will have a watermark appear on any export that you create during your trial. If you're using the AlignMix Pro full version, you will not have any watermarks on any exports that you create. So let's go ahead and click on the Tools button here at the top, and here we've got the High Resolution PDF Export. And you will see the High Resolution Export screen appear. And it will show you what your export will look like here on the right side. And it will show you your current view, or you can click the drop down to do the default national view. And it will zoom a little bit in and chop off some of Canada and Latin America. From here, you can change the title by typing it in here. You can also adjust the size of the title. If you wanted to change the font for the title, you can click this drop-down menu and select a different font. You can also customize the page size of your export. So you can export many different sizes from US letter to A4 to even poster sizes or even custom sizes based on inches and pixels. So for this example, I will stick with US letter. And I will leave it with the page orientation as landscape, but you can also do it in portrait mode or auto. Moving down, you can adjust your margins, and you can also adjust your map's resolution. So if you wanted to create a custom poster map for your wall, you would want to set it at a very high DPI, so that it's got very high resolution. But for this example, I will set it to low, and I will set the text density to more detailed like so. And every time you make a selection, the map will reconfigure itself for this display and will also show you the image size. Any labels or layers that you have currently set on your map here in the background will also be included in this export. But if you wanted to change some of those, you can click here on the Layers tab and turn off some of those layers or even magnify some of them. So now let's go ahead and click Save. And I'm going to put this on my desktop. I'll just call it PDF and click on Save. And now that file will be created. And when it's ready, it will open up on your screen. And here is our exported PDF map. And you can see it's in very high resolution. You can clearly see even the zip code boundaries. If you wanted to, you could even zoom into this map by using these zoom in and out buttons in your PDF file. And I did export this into a smaller page size, so the resolution isn't as high as it can be if you set it to the 500 DPI for a poster size or even a custom size. And there you go. You've just learned how to create a PDF export in AlignMix.